A great design needs great type. With thousands of fonts at your fingertips, Canva will help you make designs that speak to your audience. From the editor, tap the purple button and the Text tab. Select to place text on your design. Tap again to highlight and type in your text. Resize by adjusting the handles like this. Tap and drag to move the text box. Designing with type often needs a detailed approach. At any time, remember you can zoom in and out by pinching out and in on the screen. The nudge tool is also handy for moving elements a small amount. Canva has hundreds of fonts to choose from, and even more for Canva Pro designers. Find something that complements your design, or search for a specific font here. Use keywords or refine your search using categories like this. Tap to select. Use the toolbar to edit the color of your text. In the Format tab, there are options to apply a style to your font, like bold or italics. Here, you can also choose the alignment and format your text as a list. Get specific about spacing. From the Spacing tab, add or reduce the space between letters or lines of type. Text effects are a fun way to make your words pop. Add an effect and tap to adjust the settings. Text on a curve is a great way to catch the eye. Apply and edit the curve like this. Need some help choosing effects and text combinations? Browse the pre-designed options in the Text tab. There are also professionally paired fonts and colors in the Styles tab. Explore font sets and combinations, and when you're ready, tap to apply the style to your document. Tap here to apply the style to all your pages. Using text in design is not just about what the words say, but also how they look. Design your message in Canva.